Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. My name is Oliver Lepke and I'm a proud forever business owner. Today I'm on my way to another city not far away from Toronto. It's about 1 hour drive where we're going to have an event, and which you probably figured out because of the banner, the little banner that I have, which is about one of our very famous, very popular products called Arctic Sea, which is pretty much the best quality fish oil that you can find today on the market. So we're going to be marketing that product along many other products as well. And on this event, you know what, I'm going to take some photos and I'm going to embed them in this video so you can see some photos of this event. It's like an exhibition show. It's health and wellness, I think, Expo or something related to that. And I don't know how many people there will be, but you know, we'll see how it goes. I'm doing this with my friend of mine, Martina, and we're gonna be at this event. I'll show you some photos in this video. So I'm just gonna show you like one photo, second photo, third photo, and things like that. So that's that. Now, events are very powerful. Places like this where you can create more awareness about our products, about our company, so that people actually can see you, meet you, see you, and greet you and say hi and purchase some products. So I'm not suggesting that you do this like every weekend, because that will be too much. And network marketing business, it's not about that. So if you're building your network marketing business, doing events like every weekend, I don't think that's the right way to do it, because I've never seen anybody who is really successful, and I've seen a lot of successful people. I've never seen anybody who is doing this like week after week. Focus is to build a big business. Focus is to build a big organization. And this is a great way to move products, to connect with new people face to face. And from time to time, this is a wonderful way to connect. What we will also do at this event is we will connect with people like one-to-one and have a draw, so that we're going to invite them to join our Facebook group. And then if they join our Facebook group, they will enter a draw, and then we'll pick one person to receive this set of products so they can enjoy and see how great these products are. I'm so excited, actually. Haven't done this for a long time, and I'm really looking forward to connecting with some people and sharing these products, sharing some testimonials, and talking about that. So if you have a opportunity to do these kind of events, where we can showcase products, display some products, talk about their merits and how great they are, just go for it, because you will connect with some people. And the most valuable thing from these events, it's not about selling a bunch of products and that's all, and have profit from those sales. The most valuable thing is that people who come to these events, they are already in health and wellness industry, or they're in health, and they have open mind to alternative options and health and wellness products. So the idea is to connect with as many people as possible and then keep in touch, and probably Facebook is one of the best ways to do that. So collect some information, see how you can help them, and see how you can they can benefit from these products and they become your customers. And down the road, happy customers lead to some distributors as well, which will join your organization, and that way you expand your business bigger and bigger and bigger. There you go. That explains my banner in the back, and that's my take on events, doing exhibitions and things like that. Again, thank you for stopping by, and I look forward to connecting with you again in another session of Driving and Learning. Bye-bye.